Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to this bonk update. And bonk is kind of in trouble, I guess. And in the next 8 hours, I want to tell you that if bonk ends up closing red, right? So you have two candles that were looking pretty good previously, and now you have next to it a red candle. So I think this red candle may spell trouble for the next coming days. I think that if you end up coming up and closing red like this, we may just see another red candle tomorrow and then start to fall down because keep in mind we do have a technical target here, but it does look like there is a small chance of a pump to go back up before going down, and that is, it seems like everyone has their stop losses here, and there could be chance of just pushing up and take that stop loss once and for all. Now the thing is that if you do end up pushing back up and closing back up like this, then you're looking for a target up to 1328 one more time, okay? And if you just take the stop and then go down, then that means you're looking for that technical target all the way down to 1004. And of course, 1004 is still again your very big support level, 998 or something like that. And then even below that, as I said before, 938 is just going to be something that you have to be careful. Let's check the weekly because today is Sunday, the last day. Now if you look at the weekly is not looking good, right? So you have the green, the doji right there, and then you have the red as well. So this weekly candle, as if you just don't make it up back up, if you end up closing green one more time for bonk, if you end up coming up to 1463, that would be amazing. But if you just end up coming red, then yes, I think you are going to look for another week which may be a little bit bad. Not worse, but just bad enough to come down to 970. That's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.